everybody, my name is Julie. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm doing a small grocery haul. I'm just doing a filler haul, which means it's stuff that I needed, like vegetables, fresh vegetables is all I really needed. Yeah, you're gonna see some ice cream here. That's for Mr. Bob. And I thought I got sugar-free.
There can't be that much sugar in them.
Yeah, they're 16 grams. Well, I won't be eating those. Anyway, I thought I got some sugar-free Monster Pops. Apparently I didn't. So, anyway, I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we got. Okay, I got mushrooms, celery, lettuce. I got zucchini. I got a cucumber. I got some cabbage and red potatoes. Now, Mr. Bob likes this French bread, and I bought him some, what was it, blueberry butter? Mm-hmm. Blueberry butter jelly he's going to eat on this because he'll toast it. Tomatoes, onions, asparagus, because I wrapped this in bacon. This is supposed to be sugar-free, but they're not sugar-free. So I guess Mr. Bob might be eating them. Vanilla, ice cream sandwiches, vanilla ice cream, fudge tracks ice cream, and then hydrogen peroxide. I also got a shirt that I can't put in here. Oh yeah, and I forgot. I got some icebreakers. However it goes, yeah, like that. Anyway, this, like I said, this is just a filler thing because I've got just about everything else. I just needed some fresh vegetables because I am, guess what, starting back this week. So anyway, I hope this is okay. Anyway, quick and easy. And I did buy a shirt. Oh yeah, I forgot. Mr. Bob's hydrogen peroxide. I did buy a shirt, but I can't show it because it's for his sister for her I think I'm gonna put it back for her birthday. And then yeah. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down in the description what I'm going to do for my meals this week. Anyway, talk to you later. See you. Bye.